Welcome to My Zone Online School. My name is Teacher Mutsa. Get your education booklet in our daily newspaper, street sales, or at your school every Monday to Thursday for pre-primary up until grade 3. The lessons are for listening or watching online. Inside the newspapers, there is an insert of the lesson booklet. Please cut the top of the lesson booklet with a pair of scissors and fold it for ready to use. But there is more. We are also available on our online platforms, MyZone and Zoshi Facebook pages, and in addition, our website, Zoshi Online. Hello everyone and welcome to My Zone Online School. My name is Teacher Mutsa and thank you so much for joining me today. Our theme this week is winter and friendship. And before we get into any lessons, boys and girls, we know that we have to sanitize. Remember, you can also wear a mask or a shield when you go outside. Please make sure that it covers both your mouth and nose. Make sure your hands are dry before you touch anything else. For today's lesson, we will be talking about problem solving, multiplication, and syllables. For our lesson, boys and girls, we are going to start by going to page 12. On page 12, we are going to be doing some problem-solving sums. Now remember, a problem-solving sum is easy. All we need to do is read it twice, then try and find the important information, and then decide whether we are adding, subtracting, dividing, or multiplying. So, let us do number 4 together. Number 4 says, you must drink 2 liters of clean water every day. How much water must you drink in 5 days? Let's read it again. This time I want you to pick out the numbers and see which method we're going to be using. You must drink 2 liters of water, clean water, every day. How much water must you drink in 5 days? Now we have 2 numbers we've been given, 2 liters and 5 days. So let's take a look at the board and see if we can't use them. Here I've got my 1 liter, and another liter. So in one day, I will drink 2 liters. So I've written the number 2. But now they want us to find out how many we would have drunk in 5 days. Now instead of saying 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, I'm not going to add. I am going to multiply. So I have 2 times 5. So I'm going to say 2 times 5. To work this one out, I'm going to use my sets, but I know some of you already know the answer. Let's use sets instead for today. So in each set, because I've got 2, I'm going to put 5 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So because I've put 5 things in each, it's now time to add them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 times 5 equals 10. That is my answer. So the question, remember, was how many liters would I have drunk in 5 days? In this case, we are going to say 10 liters. So this is our answer. I want you to please take a good look at all of your problem-solving sums and decide whether you need to add, subtract, multiply, or share. Read it again when you are done so that you know that you have done the right thing. When you are done, you can move on now to the next one, which is page 13. On page 13, we are going to be multiplying. It is going to be our job to complete the sums using the following method. The example they have given is 3 times 4 equals 12. But now it's going to change to 3 times 40 equals 120. The trick they have done is very simple, and I would like to share it with you. Let's take a look at the board. For us to do the next one, it is simple. All we need to do is add the zeros when we are done multiplying. Now remember, 2 times 5 is the same as saying 5 times 2. So we already know our answer is 10. So we're going to put 10. After you have completed your multiplication, they want you to add the zeros. So we're going to rewrite it again. This time we're saying 5 times, it's no longer 2 but 20 equals, and it's no longer 10 because we're going to add another 0, and we will say 100. So this is the method they would like you to use. The first one that you're going to do is first get the multiplication answer. When you're done, you're going to use the zeros that you need to put for the question, or rather the answer, to be complete. Check your work when you are done with both exercises, boys and girls. Remember, mathematics can be fun, but you just need to concentrate. I will see you soon after the advert break.
Follow us on MyZone Facebook Active Kids to watch your daily lesson and other fun activities with Zoe and Zoshi.
For our last activity today, boys and girls, let's turn to page 14. On page 14, we will be doing syllables. These are words that are made up of parts, and when we talk about parts, it's the sounds that they make. Each syllable has a vowel sound. You're going to try and have fun and count the syllables and clap them as you read each word. They have given you an example. The first example is the word bat. Now, when you say the word bat, you're going to clap once, and then you will see that it has one syllable. If you say the word monkey, monkey, you're going to see that the word monkey is going to be clapped 2 times, which means it has 2 syllables. Then the last example they give you is the word forever, forever. Now the word forever has 3 syllables. As you say it slowly, you will be clapping 3 times, and that will show you that there are 3 syllables. Now your job, boys and girls, is to read each word as you clap the syllables. Then you write the number of syllables that each one has. Because I think this one is very simple for you, I'm going to leave it for you to do by yourselves. The tip I can give you is to say each word slowly twice, and then you try and clap out loud, and then you will see how many syllables it has. So Read your words carefully, and when you are done, check again by asking someone else to clap and read the words as if they were finding the syllables again. Have fun, boys and girls. Take your time, and I will see you soon after the advert break.
Do you have children in the age range of 5 to 6 years and want to participate in our school booklet program? Please contact us on 081 74 3759 and we will put you on our distribution list for the attention of pre-primary schools. Topics include family, summer, culture, traditions and houses, transport and communications, occupations, autumn, and more. We distribute countrywide in over 7 different languages.
Boys and girls, we have now come to the end of our lesson, and I hope you managed to finish your work. Remember, if you're not sure what to do, or the question is very difficult and you don't understand, that's okay. You can always ask for help. Just make sure that you finish your work by yourself. Now that we are done, it is time to sanitize. Don't forget that sanitizing is very important. Every time you sanitize, please make sure that you rub both hands. Then make sure that they are dry before you touch anything else. Sashi said he wants to come with me to get a nice warm cup of cocoa. I wonder where he is. Sashi? Oh, there you are. Are you ready for us to go get our nice hot chocolate? Wonderful. So, from Sashi and I, we would like to say thank you for joining us today and goodbye.
Our online school will help you along the way. Find us at www.zoshi.online and download the booklet. Follow us on Facebook to never miss a video. Subscribe to our Zoshi Telegram channel if you want to receive daily updates. Proudly sponsored by the Ministry of Education, Arts and Culture, Namibian Community Trust, UNICEF, My Zone Online School, Amos Meerkat Syllabus, and Capricorn Foundation.